Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for the love and support. To all my supporters and all my channel members, a big thank you. Silent viewers, big up yourself. If this is your first time, a warm welcome. Feel at home, enjoy your stay. While you're here, hit that red subscription button and put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. Right here in Sister J's kitchen, I talk about food, I cook food, and I eat food. This video is about pumpkin seed.
Yeah, my cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say.
Pumpkin seeds have great health benefits and it can do wonders to our body. Let me show you some of the stuff that pumpkin seed can do for us. Watch to the end.